Welcome back to Literacy Open, where readers become leaders. Hi, kiddos. This is Mrs. T's classroom. I am so glad that you're here today. Today, we will have lots of fun together. All right. So remember, the last class we learned about alphabets. Okay, we also made sentences using letters from the alphabets. We also learned about short vowels. Okay, so feel free to go back to that video and rewatch. Okay, but you have to ask mom and dad first. Okay, all right. Okay, so today we are going to learn about something fun and magical. But before we do that, I want us to practice some physical exercises. We have to exercise so that our brain, our body, and our mind will stay strong. All right, let's go ahead and exercise. Stretch your hands. Okay, stretch your legs. Move your body. All right. All right, welcome back, kiddos. I hope you enjoyed that exercise. Ooh, I really had so much fun doing that with you. All right, okay. So today we're going to learn about one letter word. Okay, what do you see up there? That's the letter I, right? That's right. So that's the one letter word. How about the two-letter word? How many letters do you see right here? Okay, we do have two letters, the W and the E. Now the three-letter word, we do have the F, the O, and the R. All right. Okay, so the one-letter word is I. The two-letter word, we. The three-letter word, for. Let's go ahead and make a sentence. Remember, all of these letters make up the alphabet. Okay? Now, the first one there is I love to cook. Okay, do you want to repeat after me? Okay, let's go. I love to cook. So that's the one letter word. We are making a sentence with a one letter word. All right. Now let's make a sentence with the two letter word. We. We like riding bikes. Again, you want to repeat after me? We like riding bikes. Good job. Well done. All right. How about the three-letter word right here? The F and the O and the R. Let's make a sentence with that. The bus came for us. Again, you want to repeat after me? Okay. The bus came for us. Good job. Well done. All right. Let's see what we have here. Okay. Let's practice one more time here. Okay. One letter word, A. Two letter word, I. And N gives us in. Three letter word, O, N, E, one. Now let's make a sentence here, okay? I drive a fast car. There we go. That's a one letter word, A. In a sentence, I drive a fast car. Now let's make a sentence with the two letter word. The dog is in the box. Again, repeat after me. The dog is in the box. Good job. Well done. All right. And now let's make a sentence with the three letter word. I have one brother. All right. Repeat after me again. I have one brother. Good job. Well, awesome. You guys are doing really well. All right. Oh dear, it looks like we're at the top of the hour again, which means that we have to go. Oh no. Okay, you know what? I don't want to make your brains tired, so I'm gonna be back with more stuff for you, okay? All right, but thank you so much for coming to Mrs. C's classroom, and I will see you again in the next video. All right, thanks for coming. Bye.